to make money on YouTube, all you gotta do is this one thing, and that thing is, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post weekly content like this all the time. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you want to make a full-time income online, like $1,000 a day or more, make sure you click the second link in my description because I'm going to show you my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. And the benefits of watching this video to the end is you learn how to make money on YouTube with affiliate links step by step. So make sure you watch the video to the end and don't skip any other parts of the video. Let's get started right now. So the way you're gonna make money on YouTube with affiliate links is basically something called affiliate marketing. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you promote other people's products and services and you earn a commission for that. So basically, you're gonna sign up for affiliate programs, and once you sign up for the affiliate programs, you're gonna basically get their affiliate links from their affiliate program and promote it on YouTube and description on YouTube. And then basically when somebody click on the description of your affiliate link, then once they click the affiliate link and go to the product you're promoting as affiliate, then you're gonna earn a commission once they buy that product or service you're promoting. So basically that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna show you 2 affiliate programs you can basically join for free, and that's beginner friendly. Like, so the first one is called Amazon Associate and the second one is called ClickBank. So basically right now I'm on Amazon Associates page. So basically what you would do is basically join now for free. But before we go into that, basically let me show you the 3-step process of what affiliate marketing, what you would do on YouTube. So basically you would join either affiliate program, ClickBank or Amazon Associate. So basically you're gonna join and then basically you're gonna promote or advertise. So basically you're gonna advertise it on a YouTube with your YouTube video, what you're gonna create. And then you can you're gonna earn when somebody buys the product on YouTube, which you promote on YouTube. So basically this kind of like 2 ways you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube. So basically you can just give free value for free and basically give a call to action, say check out the link below this video to like make money online or anything like that, like I did at the beginning of the video. Or number 2 is basically you can do strictly a review video about a product you're trying to promote as affiliate. So that's basically the 2 ways you're gonna do it. So I'm gonna show you the review video side of it and the just give free value and stuff like that with affiliate marketing. So basically I'm gonna show you the 2 sides. So the first way you can do affiliate marketing is basically just give free value all the time and just basically expect nothing in return. So something like Gary Vee. So basically give and then you receive. So basically what that means is basically you're gonna get free content all the time, and then basically once people start like and trust you, then you're gonna start earning money once you start promoting affiliate links in your description of your YouTube video. So basically, as you can see right here, it said best kitchen knives for in 2019. So basically they're telling you the best kitchen knives, and basically they're getting free value. So basically they're gonna talk about the best knives you can use in 2019 as a chef and stuff. So basically once you decide you want to like the knife you want to pick, then basically you can promote the affiliate links in here, like all these links right here. So these are Amazon affiliate links. So that's basically I'm gonna show you where to get your affiliate link from Amazon. So basically these are the affiliate links you can choose from, whatever product you're promoting in your niche. So basically like you got the cooking niche, you got like cameras and technology and gadgets and stuff like that. So you got like make money online, you got like the health niche and stuff like that. So whatever your niche you go with, basically you can pick a niche and basically start creating content for that. And I'm gonna show you a tool later on in this video to help you find keywords and start ranking for on YouTube. So make sure you watch the video to end because you don't want to miss that. So basically if I do the niche called like cameras and technology and gadgets and stuff like that, so this person is talking about the best beginner DSLR cameras in 2020. So even though he created this video in 2018, he's basically just redoing the title, the rank for on YouTube. So there's a tool called TubeBuddy you can use to start ranking your videos. So like for example like SEO, they help you with your SEO to rank your videos on YouTube, and they can help you place your tags and stuff. So as you can see, he's ranked for almost all the tags he's using for in his video to help him rank. That's why he got almost million views, because he's ranked for all the keywords he's put in his tag except for one. So that's the reason why he's getting all these views. Because if you if you rank for YouTube, and then basically over a period of time you're gonna start collecting views, and then it's gonna start suggesting to people, and then that's how you're gonna start getting a lot of views on YouTube. So if you don't rank for YouTube videos and stuff, then you're just gonna rank for like short time, and then it's gonna fall off, and then you wonder why you're not getting views. So basically you gotta watch the video to the end for this tool to help you rank for a YouTube video. So but in the meantime, you can basically use a free tool called TubeBuddy to find keywords and stuff, different stuff like that to rank for. But later on, there's a better keyword tool you can use later on in the video that I'm gonna show you. Also guys, when you're doing YouTube videos, you want to have good thumbnails, so something like this, so something that pops out and stuff. So as you can see, he has a picture of a camera, and then it pops out with a yellow text and stuff. So best in 2019 are yellow, so something that pops out. So same thing, if you scroll down some more, as you can see right here, it pops out with yellow stuff, and it has a camera, and that pops out and mostly in the picture. So that's what you basically want to do. You want to have it pop out and stuff like that, and then you want to have good titles as well. So something like all capital, so best DSLR cameras of 2020. So you basically want to have something like that to catch the attention of their audience and stuff. So once they come to your video, then you're gonna say, hey, check out the link in my description and check out the product I'm promoting to help you on your journey or whatever your niche is. So basically cooking, you can tell them check out the link for your cooking knives, or you're doing gadget stuff like this example, then you can basically tell them check out the camera that you're using to help them on their camera journey or anything like that. So basically that's something you can do for making money on YouTube. So the second way you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube is basically just do a review video about a product you're strictly trying to promote as affiliate and try to make money on YouTube. So basically this, for example, right here, this person is doing a product review for a Cinderella solution. So that's basically a clickbait offer I'm gonna show you. So basically that offer is about like weight loss and tummy fat. So like as you can see in the title, it says flat tummy trick to stuff like that to lose weight. So she's basically gonna talk about the product and is it a scam or how much it costs or stuff like that, and is it legit and stuff like that. And then basically, so she ranking for keywords as well. So the Cinderella solution, so she ranked 21, and the Cinderella solution reviews she ranked number 5 for. So as you can see, she's ranking for the keywords, and basically she almost has 1,000 views for this video, and this was like almost like less than like 8 months ago. So basically that's very good for a size of YouTube channel. So this is very good. So this is something you can possibly do to make money on YouTube. Now let me just show you another example in a different niche, which is the dating niche. So basically this dude right here, he's basically talking about the devotion system to help him with getting women and stuff like that. So basically as you can see, there's a affiliate link for a clickbait offer. So this is a clickbait offer. So both of these reviews videos are for clickbait offers, which I'm going to show you later in the video if you stick to the end. So basically, as you can see, this is a special discount link to the affiliate offer he's trying to promote. Now basically he's giving a better review video about it, because he's giving all this like stuff about it. So who is Andy North, or the product owner, and then he's giving a little overview about it, and then in the description some more. He's talking about like the main content about it, so like mind viruses, love method and stuff like that, and more advantage about the program and stuff like that. So as you can see right here, advantages right here of the program, and then basically he's giving some disadvantage about the program, and then he's gonna give a call to action button, or a call to action about the product that he's trying to promote as affiliate, and say, hey, check out the link in my description to check out the product for yourself and check it out. So basically once he does that, then basically you're gonna click the link right here, and it's gonna say affiliate product. Now a tool you can use to start getting views on YouTube, start ranking for and stuff like that, is basically a tool called Google Keyword Planner. So basically it's a tool where you can use to get traffic to your YouTube video and start ranking for it. So basically whatever your niche is on YouTube, basically you can basically type in that keyword and basically type in right here. So basically let's say your example is cooking knives and stuff like that, or camera stuff. You basically can type in here, and it's going to start all the keywords that you can possibly rank for on YouTube. So as you can see, it shows the monthly searches and the competition. So when you're doing review videos, you basically want to go for keywords. Monthly searches are very high, so you can start getting a lot of views the most as possible. So once you get a lot of traffic and eyeballs on your videos, then basically you can make more sales with. So like for example, right, so like this example right here, like almost 1,000 views, and this person right here almost got 230 views. So basically we can go for keywords that's like monthly searches between like 1,000 and 10,000, so you start getting a lot of traffic, so you can start making sales more quickly with YouTube. So now that you know how to get traffic to your YouTube video, then we need to start getting our affiliate product to promote as affiliate on YouTube to start making money with. So basically to join Amazon affiliate program, you basically need to type your name, your email, and your password, and create your Amazon account, and basically do the same thing with ClickBank. And then once you on ClickBank, you basically need to find a product in your industry. So basically you can find products right here, or basically go on the side to categories, and basically pick your product. So basically, let's say your entry is like health and fitness, right? You basically go to health and fitness and basically choose any product you want to promote as affiliate, and then basically click this button right here to promote, and then basically get your affiliate link. And then basically you go back to YouTube and basically upload your video that you're trying to promote as affiliate and do a review video about it, and then basically put in your description something like this, so special discount for the affiliate product, and then basically put your link right here, and basically that's pretty much it. So that's basically how you do make money on YouTube. If you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and you turn on post notification. Also, make sure you like and comment on this video because it gives more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that, and I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.